Hello, I am Tina from VectoriaDesigns, and if you have been following our YouTube channel, you've seen that last week we posted a tutorial how to make this mini book. Now for me, this was just a tryout to see if you like this type of craft, but there was a lot of enthusiasm for these and even to make more. So I decided to create for you a free one as well. And these printables are based upon our Vintage Ephemera kit that came out a little bit earlier this year. So if you want to make this particular mini book for free, just opt in via the link in the description and you will be sent all the printables that you need. And if you're wondering how to make it, there's a link in the description to the tutorial of this one, and it is exactly the same. Look how cute these are. Consider it a Christmas present for all you crafters out there. And just like in this book has 100 pages in it. There you go. Oh yeah, the only extra thing that I did was I added these cute little book corners. That's all. For the rest, I completely made it the same as this one. So claim your downloads via the link in the description, and I wish you so much crafting fun. Bye bye.